Hey guys, so I'm hot already. It is the bank holiday weekend and something I thought I wasn't going to be doing this weekend. Well, I was going to be doing cleaning, but I was looking through the boxes in my unit because if you remember, I've got an IKEA unit. Can you see it? This one here. And there's boxes on the bottom which I can't really get to because of my bed. And looking through one of them because I was looking for some specific trainers to wear, which were more like running ones to like go walking in. And I pulled out mouldy stuff. And I'm going to show you something now. So this is your trigger warning. If you don't like mouldy stuff and things like this, then turn off. I pulled out these, mind the toilet paper, I just haven't put that away yet. I pulled out these Clark's shoes. And they're leather, and they're at the back of a IKEA box. Those white boxes that you put in the Kallax units. And yeah, so that has now triggered off a turn of events which I wasn't expecting I'm going to do, because when the last time I looked behind the unit there wasn't any mould. There's mould. I think you can see, there you go, that's in one of the boxes. That's the other one which looks worse actually through the camera. And then I have started to clean this one. Needless to say, I didn't expect to be doing this weekend on bank holiday. I knew I was going to do some cleaning, like cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the bathroom, but not mould. But I have got probably 8 of these left, which I'm going to now no longer put stuff in those bottom areas because the mould hasn't gone any further up the wall, I don't think. So, and I managed to clean the other first box area without much effort, but 2 of the boxes are completely ruined. And I'm going to put those in, like 2 of them in the middle, 2 at the back, and not have anything at all in the bottom spaces, and try and find some storage for the other stuff that's in there. Stuff that was in the bottom ones I wasn't really using anyway, so it's fine. And like there's a whole box of t-shirts which I haven't worn and stuff, so I'm going to be sending them off to charity shops when we can. Obviously the one I work in, or the charity I work for. And any of the other stuff I'm going to give to my mum and dad to store. So, and they have got some of my stuff stored anyway, but those shoes that I showed you probably will have to go in the bin. My mum said she'll try and clean them, but one, I haven't worn them in years. I think I wore them for graduation or something, I can't remember. Or if not before that, I remember having them at uni, but obviously I didn't really wear them at uni. But yeah, I'm just going to try and clean. So cool, fantastic, I found some more. I thought it was confined to these, but I've just found this on the back of my wall. Great. So I thought you might find this quite satisfying. I just found loads more. It's coming off alright. I mean, I'm obviously just doing a little layer of it at the moment, but not bad. So update. I think I've done pretty well with that. I pulled all my bed out and everything because my bed's normally up against that, and it's now against the wardrobe instead. And I'm probably going to leave it like that maybe for the weekend, maybe for today. See how I don't have the bedside table that's overlight in the kitchen, or I could put it there, I suppose. We'll see. But I've moved it, if I didn't say already, 2 metres from the wall anyway, and I put some dehumidifier boxes, and I'll probably come back and like wipe it all again. And I'm just making sure none of the boxes touch the wall now as well. So yeah, let me show you. So excuse that and like the tissues and stuff. That bit was fine, and that was kind of fine. There's a bit there. I've got a dehumidifier going, and I've also got 2 dehumidifier boxes there, which work quite well as well. There is one down there, but that's been there for a while because there was mould. I just thought there was mould there, but as you can see, it's now pretty clean. I've got the most of it off, or the worst of it off anyway, and we'll leave it like that. I probably will never be putting stuff in those bottom boxes, or if I am, or like cube bits, they'll be at the front and just like not in a box. So I am going to make some lunch now. So I just need to, and my plan was to have, if you can hear rustling, that's the bag full of mouldy shoes. To maybe have beans on toast, I know, but I've got these snap pots that I've only used one of, but I don't know how good they are. Oh, September, that's quite good actually, considering I bought them when I moved freaking in August. So I'm gonna have one of these. It doesn't really come with much, but I'm gonna have one of those. So this is what they are. Excuse the mess like absolutely everywhere, but, and to be honest, I prefer a traditional can because they're a bit fussy. It's like peel back and put in the microwave. I don't really like using the microwave much. I prefer like a hob. Put some toast on, and what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna eat on my bed, put toast on a plate, put the beans in a bowl, and see how that goes. Yeah, and I'm gonna have all my favourite crisps, which are these salt and vinegar twirls. I love them so much, and probably a Pepsi. My flat is now a tip, so I'll quickly show you. Yes, so I'm going to leave this to like air probably for the weekend, open like this, not put anything on the bottom, and I'm going to like on Sunday drop stuff off at my parents' in a safe social distancing way. I know, and it's not even that late, it's like 9. Yeah, 9:15, but yeah, it just looks really dark because I only have one light on. And I had the fan on, but I turned that off. It's so hot. But I just wanted to mention that before I go, that Jamie is back on YouTube, and I'll leave his link below. He's only done a few videos so far, but yeah, if you remember him, if you know, you know, because if you're an oldie, bug oldie, as Louise says, then you'll know. If not, link below, check him out. So I am going to go. It's been quite the day today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.